Have you ever wondered why Bernini chose to depict Medusa as a living, tormented creature rather than a defeated, decapitated head? Stay tuned as we explore this fascinating choice and unravel the intricate details of Gian Lorenzo Bernini's masterpiece. Welcome to Art Lectures. Today, we're delving into Gian Lorenzo Bernini's captivating sculpture Medusa, crafted around the 1640s. This marble bust, housed in the Palazzo Dei Conservatory in Rome, offers a unique interpretation of the classical myth of Medusa. Unlike traditional depictions, Bernini's Medusa is shown alive, capturing the terrifying moment when her gaze could turn anyone to stone. The irony of sculpting this mythological figure in marble, a material she could turn her victims into, adds a profound layer to the piece. Bernini's Medusa stands out for its lifelike qualities and emotional depth. The anguish and torment in Medusa's expression are rendered with incredible detail, making her appear both monstrous and vulnerable. The sensual detailing of her cheeks and lips contrasts sharply with the rougher, more dynamic treatment of the snakes in her hair, suggesting a collaboration between Bernini and his assistants. The creation of Medusa involved innovative techniques and meticulous attention to detail. In 2006, the sculpture underwent extensive restoration using advanced methods like infrared, ultraviolet, and laser scanning, which helped reveal and preserve Bernini's intricate craftsmanship. Bernini was a leading figure of the Italian Baroque, known for his ability to convey intense emotions and dynamic movement. His choice to portray Medusa in this manner reflects his genius in blending classical themes with psychological depth. So, why did Bernini choose to depict Medusa alive and in such torment? It could be seen as a visual pun, turning the myth of Medusa, who could petrify others, into a stone figure herself, capturing the moment of her agony forever in marble. Thank you for joining us on Art Lectures. Please like and subscribe for more insightful art explorations.